Why this Italian leather bag will outlast your career. Time resistance briefcase review. Ever felt like your so-called professional bag is quietly betraying you? Cheap zippers, fake leather, sagging pockets, and that awkward moment when your business bag starts peeling mid-meeting. If your laptop bag's letting you down, you're not imagining it, it's designed that way. Factory-made, mass-produced, cookie-cutter junk that crumbles after a few months. Sound familiar? You're stuck hauling a limp, embarrassing excuse for a briefcase while silently wishing you looked more like you belong in the boardroom, not the break room. It's not just bad style, it's lost confidence, wasted money, and another daily frustration. Now, imagine this nightmare stretched over years. Every bag you buy promises the world, yet delivers frayed seams, ripped lining, and luxury leather that feels more like plastic. You're spending more replacing cheap bags than you'd spend on one solid investment. Missed first impressions, lost deals, and the creeping sense your professional image doesn't match your skills? That's the real price. You're stuck in a cycle of disposable bags that kill your vibe and bleed your wallet. Meanwhile, you're questioning whether true craftsmanship even exists anymore. Spoiler: it does. But only if you know where to look. Meet your new forever bag, the time-resistance Italian leather briefcase. Handcrafted in Italy, every stitch, grain, and cent screams authentic luxury. Made from full-grain cowhide leather, it's not just a bag, it's a legacy that gets better with every scratch, nick, and story you add to it. Vegetable tan and hand-dyed, each briefcase is a unique work of art. With YKK zippers, a twist lock closure, dedicated laptop compartment, and old-school craftsmanship, you're not just buying a bag. You're investing in a professional companion designed to outlive trends, and possibly your career. It's style, substance, and status all in one. From two spacious compartments to the luxury feel of genuine Italian leather under your fingertips, every inch of this bag is built for daily domination. Toss in a detachable shoulder strap, thoughtfully designed pockets for your tech and essentials, and a professional silhouette that pairs with suits or casual fits alike. And yes, it smells like real leather. That subtle, earthy luxury scent? It's the difference between cheap and timeless. Want to upgrade your hustle? Click the link and explore why this briefcase is trusted by thousands of professionals worldwide. Now, here's the real talk. These bags aren't mass-produced. Small batch handmade production means limited stock. Once they're gone for months. Don't let someone else show up carrying your dream bag. Buy now, secure yours today, and join thousands of professionals who ditched synthetic junk for Italian craftsmanship. This isn't just a purchase, it's a statement. Elevate your game. Command attention. Carry history. Click now, because your image deserves more than fake leather.